As a Salesforce administrator, users will have the ability to create templates to automate the e-signature process all from within Salesforce. For this example, we're going to create a Salesforce template. Once we give our template a name and description, non-disclosure agreement in this case, we can easily upload our file from our desktop or device. We'll be mapping this for our opportunity object in Salesforce. Once we click next, we're able to add our fields onto our template. We'll drag and drop our text field. And we will need to give each field a name in order to map them to our Salesforce field. You can easily copy and paste fields onto other parts of the document. All you will need to do is change the name property. So we'll add our signature field, signer name, and date signed field. These fields will be auto-populated as soon as the recipient views their document. We'll go ahead and save our template and click Next. Our next step is to merge our fields. We can select multiple Foxit eSign fields from our template and choose our related entity and the data we want to map from the Salesforce field. To merge additional fields, we can click Add Row on the bottom left and merge as many fields as necessary. So we'll go ahead and save our fields and click Next at the top. And once we click that, we're able to add this button to our page layout. So we're going to add it to our opportunity layout. So we do have an open opportunity, and we're going to be able to send a document directly from Salesforce. So we'll click Send via Foxit eSign at the top right, and we'll choose our Foxit eSign template. We'll choose the non-disclosure agreement and click Next. And we're taken to our document sending flow. Again, this is from within Salesforce. We can add more documents if needed, and we'll assign our recipient and click Save and Next. So the data has been automatically populated into our text fields on our document. If we do need to make any changes or customizations before it's sent out, we can, but we'll go ahead and click Send. Once the document's sent out, the status will automatically be posted under our opportunity. As someone signs the document, the status will be updated using webhooks. The recipient will receive the document directly in their email inbox. We'll demonstrate our recipient signing process. So we'll click View Documents from our inbox, and we'll see the fields have been automatically populated with data. Signer name and date signed have been auto-populated as well, so all we need to do is sign our signature and click Finish at the top right. Executed or completed documents will be sent back and are accessible through Salesforce, or they can be pushed to a file management system. So for document archival, we do offer remote server integration. Any other external repository, such as Google Drive, can be used. So our opportunity, it's showing an executed status for our envelope. If we look at the details, we'll be able to customize and add a direct access link to view the completed document. For our next example, we'll be creating a Word-based template to generate documents. This is a really great feature for invoicing or generating customized quotes. So our template name will be quote, and we'll choose quote for our data source. We can upload the Word file directly from our device and go ahead and submit. So now we can merge our fields. We do have single row data and multiple row data mapping. So fillable tags are added to our Word document to grab and merge the data we need for a Salesforce object. Text with a single curly bracket will represent a single value in Salesforce and single row data mapping. So we'll map our template field to our related entity and Salesforce field. And again, we can click Add Row to merge additional fields as necessary. So we can go ahead and click Save. And for our multiple row data mapping, if we take a look back at our Word document, multiple row data will be represented by 2 curly brackets. So these will be structured in a table. Once the data gets populated onto the document table, the table will extend easily to other pages without disturbing the document and maintaining a pre-formatted style. So we'll choose our opportunity line items and map our quantity template field to the quantity Salesforce field. Once we click Save and we submit this new template, this will be available on our quote page. So we now have the ability to generate a customized quote and send that out for signature. So if we take a look at our quote page, we'll be able to see generate quote and eSign at the top right. And once we choose that, we're taken back to our document sending flow. We'll assign our recipients and click Save and Next. And we're able to see that our data has been populated directly onto the document and PDF itself, along with those multiple rows of unique data. So once we send this out to the recipient, they'll receive their fully unique and customized quote in their inbox for signing. So that concludes our demo. Again, all of this is easily done from within the Salesforce application itself.